ka district level science, mathematics and environment exhibition ka wachisngi depan man ya ka ha ka arpolitri uni ubanai de yung krekam ka district school education officer West Giant Hills District Hajawai Public School hajrong ka phanggaw ang science and technology for society. Ye sam kusnam chiki wajab the one wow sam daw deputy commissioner ka West Giant Hill District ubi aso liya kam ukong san wada pait de kali wada yakala mule wagi khynnah chaphang ki boon ki jain wada penyogi iwaji u yarap yak imlang sahlang they start sign kathong kani ki exhibition to yo penchlur we pen ka id yaki khynnah wo pure chaphang ka science yo yarap ko ye ide u he usan kam ju kam galat wo yo khi yo khan ki waro ada em kat vitali ki skor ki wada chimbenta hajrong ki phang wo boon jain Kawai maya nong tudu lakiang na kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School Juai, dayo nong Kongo hajrong kapang kawang, testing the acidity and basicity of the soil using natural indicator agriculture. Kaaye siya pali na Kajawai Public School Juai, dayo awaar ko hajrong kapang kawang, demonstration and use of traditional method of medication help, Ujan mi syaki nong tudu na Jaintia Higher Secondary School Juai dayo awaleu hajrong kapang kawaong floating river cleaner lifestyle for environment. Hagani kisngi de imlang le ka APSM District School Education Officer Juai de lang waki wasikai school.
Other exhibits were practical science, right from rainwater harvesting in a very candid and very clear explanation of the water that falls from the sky in the form of rain. It's trapped there, goes to the soil, that becomes groundwater, and how we should not play around with nature when it comes to groundwater. And I'm quite very strict about that around. We just usually give drilling permission to anyone that asks for drilling permission because it affects the water table. And that affects the balance in the long run. Then we move around like what the boss mentioned, all the judges, very practical. Like we can use those things every day in our lives, and we can make careers out of what you have presented also. Like for example, again back to parking. Like the boys who had given the presentation on parking, they can go deep to the subject. Study it nicely, they'll graduate, they'll master that subject, and then they'll work as consultants with with urban affairs. So, it's not that somebody here will talk about rocket science, will talk about E is equal to MC squared or something which, will just be theory and we'll just be impressed with how you explain. But these are all everything that you can do every day. So I would like to express my congratulations to all the schools who have participated. It doesn't matter whether you take the prize or you do not. I, for one, refrain from using the term loser or winning and losing. It's either you win or you didn't manage to win. So because losing it's a negative term, so we prefer to use the word winning and somebody else who almost managed to win. It gives positivity to the whole atmosphere and everything else. So my congratulations to the teams, schools who are going to be in that category and also who are not going to be in that category. But my best wishes will be for the schools and the teams and the teachers who are going to take the district at the state level. May you prepare well. Do your homework diligently. Always, hesitate to ask questions. Again, I would like to go back and to borrow a bit of the speech of Bach just now. He had said, be curious. Always ask till you perfect your craft, till you perfect your art, till you perfect your subject. You come to that point but you never stop. You never stop. You never stop learning. Learning is an everyday process. The person who says, I've had enough, I've learned so much, and that's it. I know everything else that I need to know. That person in my dictionary is a fool.